Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then what you have to do? Yes, you already know it. Yes, you have to hit a like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and if you're completely new, then you have to subscribe my channel and also tap the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you don't want to miss anything of this video, then you have to watch the video till the end. Friends, this video is a continuation of the A series of the phrases and idioms which I have picked up for you to prepare in the competitive examinations. As I have told you that I will be publishing these videos in the series system so that it will be helpful for you to note it down. Okay, so let's start the video. And for today, there are certain idiomatic phrases which I have picked up for you. These are like this. The first one is as follows. Achilles Hill. I repeat the idiomatic phrase, Achilles Hill, and its meaning is a weak point. That is a weak point in a person. That is known as Achilles Hill. All of us have weak point. It is not that we are perfect. Yes or no? So every one of us in this world has any other weak point in us. So this is known as Achilles Hill. And for this I have given an example. The example is like this. Shopping is the Achilles heel of every woman in the world. That means every woman has a weak point of shopping. Yes or no? Most of the women have this weak point. Like me, I also have this weak point of shopping. And I think that every woman, whether she shop in a lesser amount or in a large amount, but she has this weak point. So we can consider it as a Achilles heel or a heel or a weak point. So this is the first idiomatic phrase for you today. Now the second one is and all that zedge. I repeat, and all that zedge. Don't think that jazz is music here. Jazz is a music is about what I'm going to discuss, but it is an idiomatic phrase and its meaning is other similar things. So that means apart from one, there are other things which are included and altogether it is known as and all that zedge. So here is an example which I am going to discuss with you. The example is like this. Her tutorial classes include physics, chemistry and all the zedge. That means in her tutorial classes you will get not only one or two subjects but all the other subjects which is necessary in the science stream. Okay, this is the second idiomatic phrase. Then come to the third one, at daggers drawn. I repeat, at daggers drawn. And the meaning is at enmity. That means you have an enmity with someone, that is known as at daggers drawn. And an example here I have given is that the two brothers are now at daggers drawn. That means there is an enmity between the two brothers. This is very simple and very easy. It will be very much easier for you to remember. Then the fourth one is at one's wit's end. I repeat, at one's wit's end. And its meaning is puzzled. That means if you're puzzled, then we can use this idiomatic phrase at one's wit's end. So the word one's will differ according to the person mentioned. So for this sentence, I have picked up the first person singular number. So I have given an example like this. I am at my wit's end as you behave like this to me. I repeat the sentence. I am at my wit's end as you have behaved like this to me. So this is the sentence for this idiomatic phrase. That means I am puzzled at you because you have behaved like me today. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Then the last one for today is like this. At the 11th hour. That means at the last moment. At the last moment, many ideas come to our mind. Yes or no? So for this, I have given this idiomatic phrase and its meaning is at the last moment. And the sentence here is like this. He bought the medicine at the 11th hour. That means the medicine was bought by the person at the last moment. So these are the 5 phrases and idioms which I have picked up for today's video. And I hope that you have noted it down properly and also keep it for your future researches. And please keep in connection with me so that I can help you to learn the other series of the phrases and idioms so that you can prepare well for your upcoming government or competitive examinations. And for today, I'll try to wind up here only. Thank you.